How to make iced coffee. I start by taking out a coffee filter. You can buy those from any grocery store, but Amazon has them as well. Insert the filter into the brew basket. I like using 1 tablespoon of ground coffee per cup. Any brand will do, but this Tim Hortons one lasts me a long time and is good in terms of value. I also like Kicking Horse, or you can try Death Wish, which is the world's strongest coffee according to the company that produces it. Fill up the coffee pot depending on how many cups you're making. Since I'm making 12, I fill it up to the line that says 12. I usually make a lot because it's much more easier in terms of effort and time. Then you can just pull out cold brew out of the fridge whenever you like. Pour the water into the water reservoir. Press the on button and wait until the coffee finishes brewing, then turn off the machine when it's done. Pour the fresh hot coffee into a jug. Empty the coffee grounds into the garbage bin or recycle with organics if you can. Refrigerate and wait until the coffee becomes cold. Add ice and syrup if you like. I usually add 3 pumps of vanilla flavored syrup. I'll link in the description below where you can buy the one I'm using. Add the cold brew, then half and half or milk if desired. Enough for the fun part. Enjoy your coffee. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Happy coffee making. Take care, and until then, see ya.